Hey everyone, welcome to this first video in Jailbreak. When I'm playing Jailbreak, often I get asked how I made so much money in Jailbreak. So this is a quick start guide for those that want to make money quickly in Jailbreak. Jailbreak has a lot of different robberies, and if you rob inefficient place, then you'll not make money quickly. So we have three different robberies that are good for making money quickly. So first on the list is cargo ship. It gives you 14,000 every time you rob it, and it enters map every 10 minutes. So let's say that you play for about 50 minutes every day, and within that 50 minutes you'll be able to rob cargo ship 5 times. And just by robbing this single robbery you'll be able to make more than $70,000 in Jailbreak. And then in between that time you can rob museum, which gives you another $7,000 every time you rob it. So let's say that you're able to rob it 3 times. So that's another 20,000, and then you can also stack that with power plant. So when you're robbing museum, you can go to power plant after the museum and also rob that, and that gives you another $5,000. So in total, you'll be able to make more than 100,000 in less than 1 hour. And if you keep doing this, you'll be able to make more than $1 million in less than 10 days in Jailbreak, and then you'll be able to afford any 1 million vehicle. Now, if you're just playing for fun, then you can rob other things, but what I've noticed is that every time when I go for robbing bank, 99% of the time cops try to arrest me because it's the easiest robbery where cops can bust you. So, and it also doesn't give you a lot of money. So just for fun, I think it's good, but if you want to make money quickly, then avoid going to bank because you need a key card, and then also there are a lot of cops and you have to fight them, and in the end you'll get sometimes 4,000, sometimes 5,000, just not worth the efforts. And jewelry store is good in terms of money. It gives you $5,000, but it also takes time, and a lot of the time cops will try to camp those areas. The easiest robberies that I find to make money, or the ones that are very quick to do, is the museum and power plant for quickly making money. And then there are other robberies like tomb, casino, and you can rob those if you want. They give good money, but it takes more time. So when you go into tomb, it takes a bit extra time. And also you need 2 more players with you to open tomb, and same for casino. It takes a lot of time. You have to find the code, then go in, solve the security, then get the money, come back out. In that time you'll be you might miss cargo ship or other robberies that are easier to do. So I wouldn't recommend those if you just want to make money quickly. But if you're playing with friends or for fun, then you can rob any place you want.